Hi, this is Brahm Memone, founder of Leadership Speak. This club was founded on February the 17th, 2022. And our mandate is simply this, and it's right up there, the premier club for experienced Toastmasters to become better self-directed leaders. And our core values are to learn, to innovate, and to connect. And especially the connect part is so rings deeply for each and every member because we connect with each other and we've created a very strong community. And because of the strong community, by June of 2023, our first full year, we had 50 members, 116 education awards. That's right. And we were one of the top 5 clubs globally within the first full year. Not only that, but District 86 recognized us with a trophy as the Club of the Year for 2023. And we are on target to becoming Club of the Year for 2024 and actually one of the top clubs globally as well currently. We have over 56 members and over 130 education awards just because of the strong community that we have. Not only that, but we have members from 24 different countries from right across the globe come to our club and become members. And we have got past district directors, division directors, area directors, presidents, vice presidents, and so on of clubs, and people with no title from all over the world come to this club and really get to learn with a steep curve on leadership and how to speak professionally. What's our secret? What is our secret to becoming so successful? So we have an open house on June the 22nd, and we will explain to you what's really going on in that open house as to what are our secrets to success so rapidly. And not only that, we have distinguished Toastmaster Rozy Rana, who is a managing director in a very large coffee company in Kenya, and she's got a PhD in business management. Not only that, but she's also past Smedley's distinguished district director of District 114. We'll be doing an education session on what is self-directed leadership. So you don't want to miss that. You don't want to miss that, and you don't want to miss what I'm going to reveal as the secrets to becoming a top club, or if your club is not doing that well, how to raise it to a level where you're so comfortable with this membership and your DCP goals and so on that you could use immediately in your club. See you on June the 22nd at our open house. It's an open invitation to come and join us. Thank you.